Hi, my name is Don John Philip. I'm a producer and Ableton certified trainer, and I'm excited to talk about the workshop on music production that I'll be conducting at Meeraqi from the 13th to 15th of April. This is going to be on Ableton Live. We're going to be using Ableton Live 10. This workshop is not only for people who have no experience with music production, but it's also for those who are new to music production. So we're going to be going through various topics like what are MIDI effects, what is MIDI, how you can use your MIDI effects along with your audio effects. We're going to be going through digital instruments, how you can use your audio effects along with those digital instruments, how you can use those audio effects while you're mixing, different techniques of using it. So whether you have never made music before or if you're new to it, it really doesn't matter. There's something for everyone to learn from. Though these will be topics for newcomers, we'll be talking about a lot of techniques that even people who are into music production can use with their own music. And the objective at the end of this workshop is that everyone makes music. So the goal is that everyone makes a song in 3 days. So again, the event is from the 13th to 15th of April at Meeraqi in Indiranagar. All you need is a laptop and a pair of headphones. If you have any questions, if you'd like to register, click on the registration link that's provided, and hope to see you there.